I am on my first, I am on my first ride. It's James Danters KMG Freakout. And I love a KMG. I think this has been repainted, I don't know. Because I've seen it was down in the Peterborough Mart. Floor's going down. Ooh. Oh yes. Oh lovely. Oh hey, hey. Whee. Oh superb. Forward facing town now. Oh, hey, hey. Whee. Oh, lovely. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, I love a freak out. Yes, baby. Woo-hoo. Oh, lovely. Hey. Oh, lovely. Whee. Oh, hey. Oh, there we go. Way. Oh, lovely. Yes. Way. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it when it does that. Oh. Oh, hey, hey. Oh, really good. Oh, superb. Very good and extreme. Lovely. Oh. That is absolutely good. I love this ride. So high. I'm going on the Dodge at the Walters next. Good ride as always. See you on the next ride. Thank you very much. The freak out. Thank you. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye for now.